Hi, this is Ocean Cam here at Starbase SpaceX launch facility. The sky has cleared up quite a bit. It's gotten nicer. The wind has calmed down and it's not raining anymore. Most of the workers are still off site. The night shift is probably going to start soon, so maybe we'll see more. Maybe there will be more workers coming back to the site for the evening shift. But the berms held up quite well. I don't see any major damage to them. The new sidewalk over there funneled the water off quite down the road very well. There's a new fuel tank truck here with some fuel on it. There's a truck there. But the main thing about this video is the sky has cleared up quite a bit and the wind is calmed down. And we'll see what the evening brings. Ocean Cam, Mamakos. Good evening. Good night. Thank you.